Hello friends, Imtiaz here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to copy your Facebook link from your PC. For this, go to Google and search for Facebook, or if you know the URL, you can directly visit facebook.com. And now log into your account using your username and password. After that, click on your profile icon or profile image here, or you can also click from here. So let me click from here, and from this profile page, here is your link to the profile, your Facebook profile. Click on it, it will be selected. Right click on your mouse and copy. This is the Facebook profile link of your profile. You can share it to any with anyone. Let me show you in an incognito tab. I'm not logging in here. I'm pasting this link, and you can see my exact profile has loaded here. That means the link is working for us. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel for more informative videos like this.